Hello guys, I am from Gaugras Math Hub. Today I am going to discuss one question that has been taken from Chapter 3 Matrix NCERT 12 Mathematics. That question is question number 12 exercise 3.3 equal to if the matrix A is equal to opening up square bracket the elements of first row I have written cos alpha minus sin alpha. The elements of second row I have written sin alpha, cos alpha. Closing of square bracket I have done here, comma. Then A plus transpose of A is equal to I, comma. If the value of alpha is option A pi by 6, option B pi by 3, option C pi, option D 3 pi by 2. Now I shall take solution of question number 12 exercise 3.3. Now here I shall write solution. Solution equal to, here you can see given matrix. Here I shall write given that the matrix A equal to opening of square bracket I shall done here. The opening of square bracket I shall do here. The elements of first row I am going to write cos alpha minus sin alpha, it will become. The elements of second row I shall write sin alpha, cos alpha. Closing of square bracket will done like this. Then it is given A plus transpose of A equal to identity matrix. This is given. So what you have to do here? This is the identity. So here I shall get, first of all I shall get the transpose of A. So here I shall write the transpose of matrix A equal to A dash equal to, here I have written the transpose of matrix A equal to A dash equal to, here you can see the given matrix is this one. So if I shall get the transpose of the given matrix A, so here first row will become here first column, here second row will become here second column. So here you can see this is the first row. First row here will become here first column. So here I shall write cos alpha, here I shall write minus sin alpha. This is the second row. So here this second row will become here second column. So here I shall write sin alpha, cos alpha I shall write like this. Closing of square bracket will done like this. So here I have got the transpose of the given matrix A equal to A dash equal to, here first row you can see the elements of first row I have mentioned here cos alpha minus sin alpha. The elements of first row here will become here first column, you can see cos alpha minus sin alpha. This is second row. The elements of second row here will get here in second column sin alpha cos alpha. So that's why you have got here transpose of the given matrix A dash. Now I shall write this identity. So I shall write here identity imply that the given matrix A plus transpose of matrix A equal to identity matrix. Now I shall put the value of the terms in the given identity here. So here I shall get implied that the matrix A I shall write here at this place. So here I shall write the matrix A I am going to write here cos alpha minus sin alpha. Here I shall write sin alpha cos alpha. I shall write closing of square bracket will done like this plus transpose of the matrix A. I shall write in place of A dash I shall write this one. So here I shall write cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha like this, right, equal to identity matrix. You know very well identity matrix. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. This is the matrix of order 2 cross 2. That's why the identity matrix here will also become order 2 cross 2. So here the elements of first row I shall write 1 0. The elements of second row I shall write here 0 1. Closing of square bracket written like this. So what to do here? Here I shall write implied that here you can see this is the matrix A of order 2 cross 2 plus this is the transpose of the matrix A of order 2 cross 2 and this is the identity matrix of 2 cross 2. So now operation will come. This matrix, the matrix A, the given matrix A will be added to the transpose matrix. Now addition will be performed here. Look up, see how addition will be. The respective element of cos alpha here cos alpha. The cos alpha plus cos alpha will added together. So here I shall write cos alpha plus cos alpha. Cos alpha, the respective element of cos alpha here is cos alpha. The cos alpha added together will get this place. And this is the respective element of minus sin alpha will be sin alpha. So here I shall write minus sin alpha plus sin alpha will be added together. And in second row I shall write here sin alpha plus minus sin alpha. So here it will become sin alpha minus sin alpha. And here cos alpha plus cos alpha will be added together. So here will get cos alpha plus cos alpha will get. Closing of square bracket will done like this equal to, here I shall write the identity matrix of order 2 cross 2. The elements of first row 1 0. The elements of second row 1 0. Like this I shall write. So what things you will get here? Imply that opening of square bracket will be done here. Here cos alpha plus cos alpha. Cos alpha will be added to cos alpha. We will get here 2 cos alpha. So here you will get 2 cos alpha. Here minus sin alpha plus sin alpha will get here 0. Here sin alpha minus sin alpha. Sin alpha minus sin alpha get here 0. Here you will get cos alpha plus cos alpha. Here you will get 2 cos alpha. Closing of square bracket will done here equal to identity matrix I am going to reflect here. The elements of first row I shall write here 1 0. The elements of second row I shall write here 0 1. Like this will be written. Now this matrix is of order 2 cross 2. This the identity matrix also is of order 2 cross 2. Now comparing the elements, comparing the respective elements, we will get here. Here I shall write comparing the respective elements, you will get here imply that here you can see 2 cos alpha equal to 1, it will become. So here I shall write 2 cos alpha equal to 1, I shall write. You will get here imply that cos alpha equal to 1 over 2, it will become. The implied that you can write very well. Cos alpha equal to cos pi by 3, because here you can see cos pi by 3. So pi means 180 degree. 180 degree will be divided by 3, you will get here 60 degree. Cos 60 degree equal to 1 over 2. The cos alpha equal to 1 over 2 will get here. So here I shall write very well, imply that alpha equal to pi by 3. You have got. Now respective element 0, here you will get 0. This respective element 0, here you will get 0. Here also you will get 2 cos alpha equal to 1, you will get 2 cos alpha equal to 1, 2 cos alpha equal to 2. So here you have got the answer alpha equal to pi by 3. So here I shall write the answer here very well. Answer implied that alpha equal to pi by 3. This will be the correct answer. Now I have got the answer alpha equal to pi by 3. So I think the option B here is correct. Here I shall write answer equal to B pi by 3 is correct answer. Answer B pi by 3 is correct answer. So here you have got answer pi by 3 is the correct answer. So this is the proper solution of question number 12, exercise 3.3, chapter 3, matrix NCERT